I went to that security conference yesterday. There was a bit of a cringeworthy moment um, by the presenter guy. Because on Twitter, he'd been hyping up the release of this tool that they've been working on, and he was supposed to release it live on stage. Credit to him. He's not gonna release fucking buggy software to ruin people's iPhones, which is responsible, and I appreciate. I was gonna record the moment when it was released, but unfortunately, it was not released.
Back the latest status and if we can actually release it from the stage in just 1 second. I think we will actually probably be delaying the release at least for a few hours because we still have a reliability issue for some devices that we are trying to fix. It's not going to be raining just yet, but hopefully it's going to be raining by tonight.
I especially hate the small talk there too, because I'm not gonna lie and be like, oh yeah, dude, I'm like some cool security researcher, because most of the people that are there, they're like legit security research people. I'm like, nah, dude, I just stream on Twitch to one viewer and make YouTube videos that get 5 views. That's my job. It's my job to have fun.